my dear kids. Welcome back to today's English class. How are you all? Hope you all are going good. Dears, in the last class we have started our seventh lesson. What's that? What's the title of the seventh lesson? Yes, when the clouds fought. Today we shall continue with the same lesson. Before starting the next part, shall we ask a few questions? Listen. Who are the two boys? What were the names of these two boys? Yes, Vikram and Rajat. Where were they? Yes, they were in the garden. What were they doing there? Vikram and Rajat, they were lying in the garden. They were looking at the sky. When they were looking at the sky, both of them scared. What's the reason? Yes, Vikram, he saw a dragon at the sky. Rajat, he saw a bull at the sky. Suddenly, these two animals started to fight each other. And these boys, they could see a bright light between these two animals and they could hear a loud sound. Soon, the rain started. Both of them ran inside the house. And they told all and everything to the mother. What did she say? Yes, she said these were not animals. They were clouds. Clouds having the shape of animals. She also told clouds can be of any shape and size. Dears, did you read this lesson? Is it clear? Now I am going to take the next part of this lesson. Listen here. All clouds are made up of little water drops and little bits of dust. When a cloud becomes too heavy with water drops, the drops fall as rain. What was the bright light we saw in the sky? Asked Vikram. Their mother answered with a smile. During a storm, clouds bang into each other and we get lightning and thunder. The bright light is lightning and the bang sound is the thunder. Dear children, listen here. Vikram and Rajat, they were brothers. They were inside the house. They told each and everything to the mother. Their mother told they are clouds, clouds having the shapes of animals. Clouds can be of any shape and size. Then the mother explained, how does the rain fall? All clouds are made up of little water drops. Yes, clouds, they are found in different size, different shapes. All these clouds are made up of little water drops and little bits of dust. All these clouds are made up of little water drops and little bits of dust. When a cloud becomes too heavy with the water drops, the drops fall as rain. Yes, all clouds. What are they made up of? Yes, they are made up of little water drops and little bits of dust. When the cloud becomes too heavy because of these water drops and bits of dust, the drops fall as rain. Vikram asked, what was the bright light we saw in the sky? Yes, they saw when the bull and the dragon were fighting each other. They saw a bright light between these two animals. And Vikram asked, what was the bright light? What did she say? Yes, their mother answered with a smile. During a storm, clouds bang into each other. During a storm, many clouds are there. The clouds each other hit each other. At that time, we get lightning and thunder. When the clouds are clashing or hitting each other, we get lightning and thunder. Lightning is a bright light and thunder is a bang sound. It means a sudden loud sound. The bright light is lightning and the bang sound is the thunder. Suddenly, Rajat cried out, "Look, there's a rainbow in the sky." "Yes," said their mother. "Sometimes you see a rainbow when the sun comes out after the rain. Do you know the colors of the rainbow? They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red." "How lovely the rainbow looks," said Vikram and Rajat as they ran out to play again. Vikram and Rajat's mother explained how does the rain fall and how does lightning and thunder occur. Suddenly, Rajat, he cried out as he started to cry, and he says, "Look, there is a rainbow in the sky." Why did he start to cry? Because he saw a rainbow in the sky. Then their mother explained, "When does it appear? What are the colors of this rainbow?" Their mother said, "Sometimes you see a rainbow when the sun comes out after the rain." When does it appear? Yes, we can see a rainbow when the sun comes out after the rain. How many colors are there? Yes, there are 7 colors. Which are they? Yes, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Yes, Vikram and Rajat's mother, she explained, when does the rainbow appear in the sky? What are the colors of the rainbow? How many colors are there? And she explained all and everything to the kids. Look the rainbow, how beautiful it is. How many colors are there? Yes, 7 lovely colors. The boys, Vikram and Rajat, they saw a lovely rainbow in the sky. And they said how lovely the rainbow looks. They were very happy to see the rainbow in the sky. What did they do? Is they ran out to play again. Vikram and Rajat, they ran out to play again. Dears, is it clear? Dear children, read this lesson 2 or 3 times. Don't forget that, okay? Dears, can you find out some new words from this part? A few new words are here. Listen, which are they? Yes, dust. First one is dust. Second one, thunder. Third one, bang. Which are they? Dust, thunder, bang. Just write these words in your notebook. You have to read the lesson 2 or 3 times. Hope you understood today's class. Do the given exercise correctly in your textbook. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.